So we're about to do a launch with a really small rocket with an extremely big engine. We have like a giant C11 on here. So this is gonna be very, very sketchy. So please enjoy the video.
Okay, so this is gonna be the sketchy one. We got a huge motor or engine attached to one of the sides. So let's just see what happens. Just gotta get a good distance here. And then Ben's getting it set up. This engine is probably twice the size of what should go in this rocket. We don't know what's gonna happen, so I'm just gonna come this way because it might go flying towards the jungle gym. So, okay, ready?